today's topic of discussion is logistic in sales and festive season. Here we will be talking about what key measures a seller need to take in consideration while they boost up their orders in this October-November duration. So coming to the second slide, as we all know that this March has hit the entire world with the COVID pandemic, and it has been bane for many industries. We talk about hospitality industry, we talk about manufacturing, travel. The entire industry were means bring to standstill. But when we talk about e-commerce and logistics, the means scenario is entirely different. Means people have started to come online and buy and sell their products. And as Mr. Tobias from CEO Shopify has mentioned in one of his interviews, that retail changes that were expected to happen in 2030 are happening today. So the accelerated growth in number of orders online has led to major changes in the logistic industries as well. The end courier partners have started to opt the various best practices as mentioned earlier by various speakers, like contactless deliveries, OTP based deliveries, and sudden trend has been seen. A swift shift from COD to prepaid orders has been seen post COVID. Means picker used to do almost 80-20 breakup of COD and prepaid orders, but post COVID this scenario has changed from 55 to 45%. 55% is COD orders and 45 is prepaid orders that we are catering right now. And earlier the digital payments which were being accepted during the time of delivery were limited to tier 1 cities. Now digital payments are accepted across India, means in tier 2 and tier 3 cities also the digital payments are being accepted just to have this contactless delivery formulation. So today we will be covering 4 topics in detail. One is the picker introduction to picker, where we'll be talking about the services that we offer. I'll be taking much more time at point 1 about introducing our services. Second point, we will be covering about the advantages working with picker versus direct courier company, and working with picker versus other courier aggregators, and the logistic challenges, what the logistic challenges the seller faces and how picker have helped them solve these challenges. And last topic will be logistic in festive season, means what points we need to take in consideration when we ship our order during this festive season. So coming to picker, we are a one-stop solution for your logistic needs. Means picker is not just a logistic service provider with the multiple courier option in place who picks the product from point A and deliver to point B. We are a new age courier logistics who believes in providing, not only believes, but also we provide intelligent shipping solution to our sellers. So we have a technologically advanced business dashboard, which helps our seller manage their orders, their entire invoices, their COD remittances, and the entire track of orders is available in the dashboard itself in various reporting like MIS, your NDR, your courier wise performance reporting, your TAT-wise performance, the state-wise performance reports. The entire performance reports are provided at our end. So the idea of starting picker comes means we need to focus on the entire logistic part for the sellers. Means wherever the seller faces the pain point, means in choosing the optimal courier partner, we want to be the one to help them out in providing that services. We means as a seller, we means we want our seller just to focus on increasing their order volume, and we keep the entire track of the logistics at our end. So when we talk about decreased confusion of selecting the ideal logistic partner, so it's not just that being a logistic aggregator, we are providing multiple courier options just for the seller to choose the courier option which are available and ship the product. We have developed an AI-based proprietary courier allocation algorithm, which we call it as Calcula, where multiple parameters are taken in consideration while the courier is being opted. So we take minimal turnaround time as one of the parameters to ship the orders. The courier delivery performance is taken in consideration. The NPS score is taken in consideration. The serviceability is taken in consideration. and mode of shipping and various other parameters we take in consideration when we select the courier partner. So let's say if I am a seller and if I want to ship my order to from Delhi to Bangalore, and I have these options available, let's say delivery hai, FedEx hai, Blue Dart hai, Expressbees hai. We have multiple options available over here, and our system based on the previous data will figure out ki which courier company is actually providing the better delivery performance and delivering the product in the minimal time. So let's say if I am delivering the order from Delhi to Bangalore, and I am means delivery is chosen for the shipping partner, and delivery is taking 3 days as a delivery time and providing me delivery performance of 75%. In a similar manner, FedEx is taking, let's say, 2 days and providing me 80% of a delivery, and Blue Dart is providing 1 day delivery and 90% of a delivery confirmation. My own algorithm will select Blue Dart as a service option to ship the product because Blue Dart is taking minimal time to deliver it and is providing the better delivery performance. Now, while opting the courier option, the question comes means how the pricing is going to work out if we are going to opt the picker algorithm to choose the courier partner, because many sellers want to have the working where they want to select the cheapest courier option and not to work with the the costliest courier option. The working of the pricing comes in consideration. So as other aggregators like ShipRocket is in place, ShipLite is in place, and other partners are in place. So they provide the courier-wise commercials to you. Means whatever courier you are opting to ship your order, they are going to charge you as per the courier that you are opting out. But with Picker, we have a unified pricing model in which we we don't charge them as per the courier that you are opting. We have a flat zone-wise pricing where we have divided our commercial in under 5 zones. Zone A will be your local deliveries. That is, zone A is considered as local deliveries. Zone B is considered as your within state deliveries. Zone C will be your metro to metro. Zone D will be your rest of India. And zone E will be your up-country location. So we have a unified pricing model, which in this industry, no one is providing it right now. So it helps seller in managing their orders, and it does not create a confusion while opting the courier out, because a similar pricing is being charged for every courier that we are providing, and the pricing that we are going to provide it to you is the cheapest option. Means it's not like कि if Blue Dart से ship हो रहा है तो मेरा pricing ज़्यादा होने वाला है, या delivery से ship होने वाला है तो मेरा pricing कम होने वाला है. ऐसा नहीं रहता हमारे system में. We provide means we have negotiated the rates with the end partner in such a manner that we have got the best of rates in the market, which any other single e-commerce seller can get. And as the third point mentioned over here, that we have a universal integration through plugins and REST API. So our platform is easily integrable with all the partners available in the market, whether it's Shopify, Magento, OpenCart, Amazon, or any other order management platforms like Unicommerce, Vinculum, Easy Ecom, Easy Slip. So we have the APIs available with every partner available. And we provide the real-time tracking and the improved NDR efficiency with our platform. When we talk about improved NDR efficiency, so you get a dedicated key account manager who actually follow-ups with the end courier partner to ensure that whatever remarks as a seller you have passed on to us, or as a customer has passed on to us, means we keep the proactive follow-up with the courier companies so that the fake remarks in the while delivering the product, means the courier company mentioned the fake remarks while delivering the orders. So we minimize those fake remarks by proactive follow-up with the courier companies. And when we talk about NDR efficiency, the customer engagement part comes in over here. So we provide various kind of intimation to the customers in terms of SMSs, where the customer get to know that their product from a certain brand is coming in to deliver product, which courier company is being allocated. And during the time of pickup, the SMS is being sent to the customers. During the time of out for delivery, the SMS is being sent. And as means if the order is failed during the time of delivery, then we send the NDR messaging as well. So the NDR messaging works in such a manner where the customer can feed in their remarks if the courier company has mentioned the fake remark and if the customer tells us in terms of SMS feedback they want this particular product, we make sure that whatever remarks the customer are sending it to us, we proactively follow with the courier companies and close down with a better delivery performance. And coming to the pin code serviceability reach, we cover entire pan India. We cover almost 26 to 27,000 pin codes for COD and prepaid, which is not covered by the direct courier company if you are working with them directly with the single direct courier company I'm talking about. And coming to the future cash flows and the COD remittance part, means no courier company actually provides the entire flow of remittance, means whenever the remittance is going to get created. So the any logistic company actually provides the data on the same day when the remittance is being created. But with Picker, we give the entire means remittance cycle clarity to our sellers, means they get to know when they are getting to have the remittance credited in their accounts, means we give the future cash flow remittance as well, ki means किस cycle में कितना amount उनको credit होने वाला है अपना. So coming to the major part which we sell are means as a USP that we sell is the Calcula, which I have already discussed in the previous slide. So these are the basic parameter we take in place while opting the courier company. When we talk about the better courier option, when we are selecting to ship the order, so these are the basic parameters we are selecting it out. One is means the pin code serviceability we are taking in place, the turnaround time we are taking, means how much time the courier companies are taking, NPS score we are taking in consideration, mode of shipping, whether it's air or surface, and which courier company has a better delivery performance. So these are the major prime focus areas while means to select the courier company when we are selecting the option out. So coming to Picker advantages, means why you have to select Picker means when we compare with the direct courier company or when we talk about direct Picker versus other logistic partners. So so as I mentioned over here, Picker is the service provider who covers almost across entire pan India, where we cover 26 to 27,000 pin codes, and we have a unified payment reconciliation. Means here you don't have to reconcile different bills. आपको reconcile करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You will get a single billing because we are providing a unified pricing model factor over here. And here you are getting cumulative invoice independent of the courier partner use. आपको ऐसा नहीं करना कि अगर आपका शिपमेंट FedEx से शिप हो रहा है या डिलीवरी से शिप हो रहा है या ब्लू डार्ट से शिप हो रहा है, उसके लिए आपको अलग अलग प्राइसिंग मॉडल चेक करके उसके बाद आपको रिकंसिलेशन करनी पड़ रही है. You get a flat zone wise pricing जिसमें आपको एक unified pricing model मिलता है अपना इसमें. Now when we talk about delivery services, we have the best SLA across all pin codes because we are using our AI based algorithm to opt the courier option. We provide the real time tracking in terms of means you get the real time tracking information with the Picker, and automatic SLA improvement tools are there with us. And when we talk about reverse shipping, we cover entire pan India in terms of reverse shipping as well. So coming to this data analytics part, which is major missing with the direct logistic companies. So what we have done is, means as I said, that we provide various performance reports in terms of delivery performance, whether it's a courier wise performance or a zone wise performance or a state wise performance, how other couriers are actually performing. We provide such kind of information to the direct sellers. So as we have a direct key account manager that we provide to manage your orders, so we have set in a basic minimum bar for the sellers कि इतना delivery performance they are getting from other partners or from Picker, and we provide the inputs in terms of performance reports कि how we are going to improve the delivery performance. So जो भी logistic error की वजह से जितने भी हमारे delivery performance reduce होता है, कि टैट की वजह से जो हमारा और डिलीवरी परफॉर्मेंस रिड्यूस हो गया है, फेक कोरियर कमेंट्स की वजह से हमारा डिलीवरी परफॉर्मेंस रिड्यूस हो गया है, तो हम लोग उन फैक्टर्स पे फोकस करके अपना कोरियर सेलर्स के लिए अपना डिलीवरी परफॉर्मेंस हम लोग इंप्रूव करते हैं उस चीज में अपना. नाउ कमिंग टू NDR मैनेजमेंट. So you, as I said earlier, we provide a dedicated key account manager, which sometimes based on the seller performer, कि seller का अगर order volume कम है, direct courier company don't provide them that direct key account manager. उनको एक IVRS सिस्टम के थ्रू कनेक्ट करना पड़ता है और उसके थ्रू अपनी कम्युनिकेशन आगे कन्वे करनी होती है अपना. दैट ब्रिंग्स अ लैग इन द सर्विसेज कि उनका जो फॉलो अप है वो लोग उस चीज को नहीं कर पाते. तो विद पिकर यू विल गेट अ डेडिकेटेड की अकाउंट मैनेजर who will be providing you real-time responses on the NDRs and your urgent query escalations. So the major part is missed by direct courier logistic companies as well and by the other aggregator as well कि उनको follow up नहीं मिल पाता अपना NDR queries पे या अपना urgent escalations पे. Whenever they have passed on to remarks कि what action the end courier company has taken. So we provide such kind of feedback to them as well कि जहां पे उन्हें पता चलता रहता है कि अगर मैंने आज के दिन पे मेरा अगर 100 शिपमेंट्स NDR में आया था, नॉन डिलीवरी शिपमेंट्स में हुए थे, so what action the courier company has taken, we provide that proactive feedback to those remarks. And coming to the pickups, because as a marketplace or as a dropship model, there are multiple pickups that are being generated for these sellers. अगर single point of contact, a single point of pickup point है, then that is easy to manage. But when it comes to drop shipping model or when it comes to the marketplace model, वहां पे हमारे multiple pickup points होते हैं. So we make sure कि whenever you push the order in our system, we make sure कि जिस भी warehouse पे अपना pickup allocate हुआ है, you will get a first mile team who will be coordinating with the end branches कि जो आपके लिए pickup में help out करता है अपना. Now coming to the major part of the services जहां पे where seller faces the major part of the error, weight reconciliations. So as earlier spoken by Nimbus Post as well in the first day and Shiplight as well, everyone focused on the optimal packaging part. Definitely optimal packaging is one of the thing where we can reduce our weight errors, but how much optimization we are going to bring in means, so let's say if I have a seller who ships t-shirt and whose weight is approximately about 180 to 200 grams and he or she is shipping just in a courier bag and shipping it out. तो there are things कि वो उसमें air filling हो जाती है और जिस चक्कर में उनके लिए एक weight error आना start हो जाता है कि when they take volumetric dimension in consideration. With Picker, we offer SKU wise billing. We are not taking that, although the volumetric dimension and the deadweight dimension both are taken into consideration, but there are certain products जिनके लिए weight fixation हम provide कर देते हैं. जैसे अपना टी शर्ट्स हो गया, मर्चेंडाइज सेगमेंट हो गया, शूज बॉक्सेस हो गए, जहां पे हमारे बॉक्स के डायमेंशन फिक्स हैं और हम लोग उनके लिए अपना वेट फिक्सेशन पे काम करते हैं रादर देन फोकसिंग ऑन कि द पैकेट वाज एयर फिल्ड एंड उसका हम लोग वॉल्यूमेट्रिक डायमेंशन कंसीडर करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि नो सेलर इज गोइंग टू पे सो मच ऑफ अ हेफ्टी अमाउंट कि जहां पे आपका उन्होंने अपना प्रोडक्ट ही अपना 400-500 रुपीज का शिप किया है and the courier companies are charging 1 kg or 1.5 kg over there. So that is the part we have solved for many sellers. And coming to courier wise performance report, so as a aggregator it's not just our responsibility कि हम लोग उनको बस एक courier options availability दे रहे हैं. It's better to have them the performance wise report, how couriers are actually performing based on कि क्या selection tool उनको रखना है. हम लोग जोन वाइज परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि इस जोन में आप लोग किस तरीके से मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं अपने ऑर्डर्स, किस तरीके से डिलीवरी परफॉर्मेंस चल रही है अपना. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सेलर्स, जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि वी कीप अ मिनिमम बार ऑफ डिलीवरी परफॉर्मेंस एंड मेक श्योर कि जो भी लॉजिस्टिक एरर की वजह से अपना डिलीवरी परफॉर्मेंस कम हो रहा है, हमारा द डिलीवरी परफॉर्मेंस इज कमिंग डाउन, वी मेक श्योर दैट लॉजिस्टिक एरर इज मिनिमाइज्ड एंड वी हेल्प सेलर ग्रो in that particular part ki more the orders are delivered, more the revenue is actually catered for the seller. So hum log us cheez pe major focus rakhte hain apna when we talk about improving the delivery performance and minimizing the fake remarks in the COD orders. So when I talk about I have already talked about Picker and direct courier companies. Now let me just focus on where Picker standalone.
Sorry to barge in. So we have already exceeded the time for the presentation. It's just 5 minutes. Would request you to, if you can wrap it up early. Otherwise, we won't have much time for the Q&A. and then you need to entertain the questions coming in from the chat room only. We cannot take live questions then. So
Sure.
it's just 5 minutes. Take the way the way which you'll choose, we are okay with it.
Sure, Kapil. I'll just wrap this up in 5 to 7 minutes max. So,
please go ahead.
Okay. So coming about picker versus direct other aggregators, many aggregators are actually charging the subscription fees when you are opting their services. We work on the pay per usage model. मीन्स जैसे ही आप लोग प्रोडक्ट शिप करेंगे उतना ही चार्ज हम लोग आपके लिए अप्लाई करेंगे. मीन्स जो जितने भी ऑर्डर आप शिप कर रहे हैं उसी के बेसिस पे वी आर गोइंग टू चार्ज इट टू यू. And we don't charge anything for the tech customization that we make. Means we get many queries from our seller that these are the changes we want to have it in your system. ये चीज हमको चाहिए. So we don't charge anything for the customization that we are making in the technology front. Now the weight reconciliation part I have already talked about. We have the SKU wise billing. We means we prefix the weights before you ship the orders. So जो वेट एरर वाला पार्ट है वो मिनिमाइज हो जाता है आपका. एज आई टॉक्ड अबाउट कि मींस we have a smart integration available with every platform available, whether it's Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, OpenCart. So we have the integration available with every partner available in the market. Now coming to the unified pricing model, which no other aggregator is providing it right now. So we don't charge as per the courier that we are opting. We are charging based on the zones that you are shipping it out. And the major issues in this COVID era that we have listened from the sellers is that they are not getting a proper key account management from the other aggregators while solving their queries and reaching out to them. So we have the dedicated key account manager to resolve your first mile, last mile, your finance related query. Everything is solved by Picker's end. Now, coming to major logistic challenges that seller faces in this e-commerce industry. These are the 5 major challenges that I feel like talking about. Means if there are other challenges, the audience can ask me in Q&A time. Means one is definitely the costing. Means the air shipping is definitely on the higher side and the surface mode of the shipping is in the lower side. So we need to take various parameters in consideration. Means the type of product that you are shipping, and is the air shipping is actually improving your delivery performance or not. If the air mode of shipping is improving your delivery performance by let's say 7 or 8%, then definitely go for the air mode of shipping. But we need to take the type of product also in consideration when we are shipping the product. We cannot ship 5 or a 7 kg product in air. The seller will end up paying more money in that particular case. So COD returns in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities is a major challenges that the seller faces. So as I said, that we provide various kind of a performance reports, and we focus on proactive follow-ups with the courier companies so that the COD returns are minimized in those particular regions. So fake courier remarks are actually minimized by us in terms of NDR messaging and in terms of proactive follow-ups with the courier companies. So no support in terms of escalation is provided by direct courier companies or other partners, but we provide a dedicated key account manager over here. And coming to this overweight chart, we, as I talked earlier as well, we have a SKU wise billing where we can just prefix the weight while you ship the order. So let's talk about this festive season, means how logistic is going to operate in this festive season, and what are the key challenges the sellers are going to face, and how we as a picker are going to overcome these challenges. So first and foremost, yeah. Okay, Kapil, I'll just wrap this up. So during this festive season, major TAT is the major point of consideration. There will be increased pickup and the delivery TATs over here, and we need to see how we can minimize this TAT. So the better warehousing setup means if a seller can decentralize their warehouse for this just for the temporary period, then definitely we can just reduce this turnaround time and improve in the better delivery performance. And restricted new accounts with the direct courier companies. No sellers are no courier company are going to help you out during this festive season by new account creation. But with Picker, you will get the account creation will be very much fast in this particular case, as I mentioned. So coming to the backlogs, so real-time information about how the courier companies are performing in the various region is need to means we need to take that part in consideration. because many hubs are going to choke out based on the volume projection that they have got, and they are over choked. So we get the real time information from the direct courier companies कि कौन सा हब कितना चोक है, एंड उस बेसिस पे ही हम लोड एलोकेट करते हैं बाकी कोरियर कंपनीज के पास. सो लेट्स से अगर भिवंडी का वेयर हाउस चोक हो चुका है अपना डिलीवरी का, सो वी विल नॉट पुश लोड टू डिलीवरी, वी विल टेक अदर कोरियर पार्टनर जो बेटर परफॉर्म कर रहा है उस रीजन में. नाउ कमिंग टू द इन्वेंट्री पार्ट की हाई इन्वेंट्री इज गेटिंग इन ट्रांजिट when we are shipping this, so we are means we have to make sure that we are shipping the orders which have the higher means higher delivery conversion. हम लोग को ऐसे ऑर्डर्स शिप करने हैं जैसे कि प्रीपेड ऑर्डर्स हो गया अपना मैक्सिमम अपना, या फिर सीओडी ऑर्डर्स में जहां पे मैक्सिमम कन्वर्जन आ सकता है. फेक एंड फ्रॉडुलेंट कस्टमर्स के ऑर्डर्स को थोड़ा मिनिमाइज करना है ताकि हमारी इन्वेंट्री रोटेशन जल्दी हो सके अपना. नाउ कमिंग टू द डिमांड प्रोजेक्शन की वी ऑलवेज टेक डिमांड प्रोजेक्शन फ्रॉम आवर सेलर्स कि कितना वॉल्यूम वो लोग शिप करने वाले हैं, with keeping a buffer of 10 to 12% कि हाँ इतना वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हो सकता है अपना उस चीज के अंदर. So these are the basic key challenges that seller are going to face in this festive season, and Picker is going to solve the challenges that which I feel are the major ones to face it out, and how we are going to resolve the challenges. Now, so thank you for listening me out and giving me this opportunity to provide and pitch in my service. This is my email ID, and if you want to reach me out, you can reach me out at dipankar@picker.com. For all the sellers out here, means we have this offer to present, means where we will be providing 500 rupees free credit to all our new sellers who will be coming and registering to us via this platform. They can ship the orders worth rupees 500 from us, and we means as per the billing platform that we have we encourage our seller to recharge more and get benefit of it. So अगर आप लोग 5000 तक का रिचार्ज करते हैं तो you will get an additional 500 wallet balance from us, and अगर आप लोग more than 25000 तक का रिचार्ज करते हैं तो आपको minimum 1000 rupees और अपना 4% तक का आपको वॉलेट ऑफर मिल जाएगा, जिसमें आप लोग आपको शिपिंग में आपको हेल्प आउट करेगा. बट फॉर ऑल द सेलर्स यू कैन जस्ट रजिस्टर इट थ्रू अस, मींस यू कैन जस्ट ड्रॉप इन अ मेल टू अस एट sales@picker.com विद द मेल सब्जेक्ट पिकर एडवांटेज, एंड आपको 500 रुपीज का फ्री क्रेडिट मिल जाएगा जिसमें आप लोग अपना शिपिंग प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं हम लोगों के साथ.